Namaskar friends, I am Rajan George, motivational speaker, trainer, also I am an IIT MTech holder and a builder. Today I am going to speak to you about the benefits of laughter. Laugh, the world will laugh with you. Cry, the world will cry with you. No, you have to cry alone. First benefit is you are attacking diseases when you laugh. How this attack is taking place? When you laugh, an explosion of oxygen is taking place in your brain. This explosion produces positive endorphins all throughout your body. These endorphins is attacking diseases in every cell of your body, in each and every gland of your body, in each and every neuron of your body, each and every hormone of your body, each and every fiber of your body. There is no disease. There cannot have any disease in your physical body which is able to withstand the power, the attack of laughter. There is a best-selling book recently published, authored by Rhonda Byrne from Australia and co-authored by 29 other greatest motivators of the world. In this book, The Secret, two people give testimony of cancer being cured only by laughter. Two people are Norman Cousins and Kathy Goodman. These two people, when they were diagnosed with the cancer, they decided to heal themselves. What they did was, they laughed and laughed continuously for 3 months after seeing funny cinema or comedy cinema. Without any medical treatment, their cancer was completely cured. And there is another motivational speaker, trainer and spiritual leader in America. Her name is Lucy H. Hay. In one of her books, You Can Heal Your Body, Lucy H. Hay states how she recovered from cancer without medical treatment. When she was diagnosed with cancer, doctors wanted in the internal portion of her body diseased with cancer to be cut off or removed. She said she will come after a few months. After 3-4 months, when she was again tested, to the astonishment of the doctors, it was found that there was absolutely no cancer left. So, by the power of laughter, attack diseases, conquer diseases, and eliminate diseases. Next point is attitude. When you laugh, your attitude will change from negative to positive. Your attitude is your mindset or your way of looking at the world. When you laugh, because of the energy produced, because of the excitement produced, because of the enjoyment produced, because of the positive endorphins, you have a positive attitude. You get an optimistic attitude, a loving attitude, a caring attitude, a enthusiastic attitude, a winner's attitude, a champion's attitude. And next point is attract. If you want to attract people to you, you laugh and make others laugh. By laughing, you will look more attractive. You will look more charismatic, more dynamic, more charming. So, you become an attractive personality by the power of laughter. Next is asset. Laughter is your $1 million asset. Use this asset to build wealth, to create customers. Unlike any other asset, with this asset, you can create in your life a long life, 100% health. This asset is the most precious asset. Merely by having the habit of laughter, keeping the habit of laughter always, smile and laugh. Next point is associate, amaze and astonish. When you associate with people, you can amaze others and we can astonish others by the power of your laughter, the energy produced by the laughter, the positive mood produced in the group, the happiness produced in the group. And next point is adversity. When there is adversity in your life, laugh. The adversity will take another route. It is because when you laugh, you view adversity with a different perspective. When you laugh, you get the strength and charisma, caliber to fight adversity. Next point is when there is agony in your life, anxiety in your mind, anger in your mind, laugh. All these things, agony, anxiety, anger will melt away. Just like an ice block will melt away in the presence of the sun. And when you appreciate somebody, when you admire somebody, the power of laughter and smile is very effective, because this appreciation and admiration will be more effective and will be more powerful. Appearance. When you laugh, your appearance will get a boost. You will look more handsome. You will look more beautiful. And next point is you become more affectionate. People will feel that you are more affectionate when you laugh. And next point is be addicted to laughing. You often hear addicted to alcohol, addicted to drugs, addicted to smoking, addicted to overeating. All you refer addicted to negative things. Addiction is a compulsive behavior pattern. Why can't there be positive addiction? You get addicted to laughing, addicted to cheerfulness, addicted to happiness. Next point is active and action oriented. You become more active, more action oriented when you laugh often. That is because of the positive endorphins produced, because of the energy produced by the laughter, but the happiness produced due to laughter, the excitement produced due to laughter. And this is all about my video on laughter, and all with the English letter A. Let us see a few laughter techniques. First, let us have a Namaskar laughing. Namaskar. Next is a leader's laugh. Next is, look at the watch, laugh. Then another is, ha, ho, ha, ho, ha, ho, ha, ho. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and please share to others.